Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign in on YouTube with your Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, if you have a Google TV setup, join me and let's go. Now I'm going to hop over to apps and I'll be opening the YouTube application. So navigate to YouTube application and click on it. And now I'm clicking on it to open it, and that will launch the application. So here I've clicked launch. The application is opened and I can find this large QR code to the right of the screen, and it's saying scan QR code, and it has a code below. That code has to match. So I'm going to point my smartphone device to that QR code. The smartphone will scan that code, and on the screen of the smartphone, you see the link. Click on it. You'll find a pop-up that will take you to YouTube saying you'll give permission to another device and be able to monitor and do much more. So click accept, click continue with that account to make sure the account you want to sign into is the account logged in on your YouTube on the smartphone. So click alright, accept, and you have it logged in like this. So a new device has been connected. That's the notification the iPhone is giving. So right now I can browse, I can access YouTube for streaming, live streams, all that on my smart TV, Google TV, TV box, the same process. So this is how you do it on Google TV specifically. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this. DaveTech signing out.